welcome. Behind me, I have a Hutch tent, Apex 3 in the gray and black. I'm going to be doing an unboxing today. This is my first ever rooftop tent. Why did I go with Hutch? Well, there are a ton of options out there, but it really just came down to affordability and the quality at the price that they have. So their customer service has been outstanding. I did pre-order this back in, July? And there were some delays just with like everything going on right now, but customer service has been outstanding. They responded Instagram DMs, and they've just been super cool people so far. So I'm excited to dive into this. Okay, so on each side here, I'm gonna have these straps that are holding it down. Got two on this side, and then two on this side. So I'll remove those. Yeah, it's open. I think everything else is on the inside. The skylight. Really excited about that. This is, if you go on their website, there's two options, with skylight or with annex. I just got the skylight for now. No annex yet. But like I said, this is my first tent, so my review and opinion is based solely on what I've read on forums and whatnot. But so far, I mean, this feels like high quality. Like I said, there will be more to come on that as far as actually putting it to use. But so far, I'm really excited. This is Blue, the truck pup. There's more pictures of her on our Instagram if you want to go follow. Okay, so that was everything out of the tent. We have here some aluminum bars surrounding. We have all hardware needed, so nuts, bolts, mounting brackets. Blue is interested. We have the supports for our awnings and light covers on the tent, a ladder, and the rain fly / dust cover, whatever you want to call it. So yeah, now I guess either follow the instructions or do as you wish. But yeah, so everything in this bag is going to be mounts for your ladder. These 4 bolts are to mount the crossbars on here, and these little holes, which you do have to go up and under in order to get in there. And we have these little guys, which will slide into place in these bars in order to mount the tent to whichever rack you have. Mine will be a front runner. And then we got some ties, and they do provide tools. these two holes here. And these two holes here. These brackets go in. You do want the slant facing towards the tent, right, so it lays flat, and then when you open it, it'll open out here. So put these in. Something I just noticed, these holes do go all the way through, up and under. So you can see here we have 2 more holes, 2 more stickers to peel off. Same on the other side. So that is how you will access the nuts to tighten them. Just to show you it's doable, but I'm gonna grab the impact gun because that's way easier. Next is the ladder. Grab this bad boy. Place it on there. So, at the end of most steps, we have the mounting holes. Go in there, and these just go in these guys right here. So, take them out and put it back together. One quick thing, they do have this kind of decline in it, so this one needs to go up, and then these are both on the inside, as you can see.
Rudy.
Extends, and you can use this handy dandy Velcro. Do it one-handed. Boom. to go. Nice. Okay, next is the cover. So you'll see underneath all these pieces, you have a thick kind of bar that is going to run through these slots all the way around. So you kind of have to figure out which way you want your tent oriented when it opens on the truck or car. And then that's going to be how determine how you slide it in. So, for example, when I want this open, I want the excess to be hanging kind of down the side of my truck there. So I have it mounted on here. I'm going to mount it on here like this. So that way when I open the tent, okay, it's going to go this way, the excess is going to sit right here. So you can kind of see, you can grab the zipper and zip it just to kind of see where it's going to end up. So I'm going to start in this corner, and then it will unzip around this way and then open. So okay, and that's it. That's how it'll look on the truck. Next part is putting it on the rack, which is going to be these guys right here. So it's 140 pounds. You probably need to have someone to help you lift it up on the rack. What are you doing? All right, day 2. We worked late last night just because we had to do some unforeseen cutting. So it's all complete now and it's on there, mounted good, but I'll show you guys what we did. So with the front runner rack, right, you have this raised lip and you won't really be able to see it, but so these bars they provide, well, they extend past the lip on the front runner rack. So, and this is just the short bed rack. So those with the long bed, this probably won't affect you. But what happened is the bars sat on top of this. And then when you go to mount the hardware, the bolts are not long enough, so the nuts have nothing to grab onto, so we couldn't mount it. So we took it all down and took those bars back off again and just trimmed them with a saw, which is a pain to cut aluminum, but it works. It sits literally flush now, and I have it flush mounted on this end, and then it does hang just a bit over, but yeah guys, so far it's freaking awesome. I haven't slept in it or anything yet, but I did have it open up last night, and I will be doing a just overview on how to set it up and my initial thoughts, as well as there'll be plenty more videos coming on just adventures and the truck as a whole. So yeah guys, if you have questions, let me know. There's probably something I missed, but yeah, I'm freaking stoked. Go check out Hutch. Again, this is the Apex 3 in the gray. So yeah, see you guys later.